Down by the pond where lilies grow lives Quacky Duck with a shiny glow. He flaps his wings and shouts, "Hooray! It's time to have a pond party today." The frogs go ribbit, the turtles cheer. Let's splash and dance, the fun is here. The dragonflies twirl in the sunny light, their wings all sparkling, pure delight. Quacky dives in with a happy sound, sending ripples all around. He bobs and spins, then claps his wings, and all the pond together sings. The fish blow bubbles in a line, the snails join in and start to shine. The beavers drum upon a log, while rhythm's kept by a sleepy frog. They play and laugh the whole day through, beneath the sky so bright and blue. Quacky quacks and flips with grace, a smile spread wide across his face. When sunset paints the pond in gold, the friends all cuddle calm and bold. They hum a tune so soft and sweet, a gentle end to the joyful beat. The stars come out, the moon floats high, reflected in the water's eye, and softly echoes far and hearty. Quacky Duck and the Pond Party.